Hello, my name is Ty. I'm from Contingent. Contingent is a third-party and supply chain risk intelligence solution. We help companies detect, map and monitor risk in their supply chain, fundamentally helping companies carry out diligence, effectively and continuously monitor their suppliers and monitor events impacting the performance and capabilities of their suppliers, and provide a view of the resilience and the risk associated with those suppliers. The future vision for the business is very much one where we can act as the ubiquitous platform for most of the world's global supply chain and third-party risk networks, enabling financial service firms all around the world to understand who the core suppliers that they work with are, what critical services rely on those suppliers, and enabling them to build out resilience and effective strategies to protect those supply chains. The lab has been an excellent program for us. We've enjoyed participating on many of the events and partner events. We've enjoyed meeting other startups and understanding from them some of the key challenges and key areas of focus for them, and collaborating, capturing learnings. For ourselves, there have been many learnings. One of the key learnings has been how organizations within financial services actually procure and buy solutions, what the process looks like, what the steps are, how to navigate the relevant stakeholders, and how essentially to organize and strategize an approach when dealing with a financial service firm. In addition to that, it's helped us really shape the way in which we position our offering. Before the program, we had a number of financial service customers, but weren't actively and sort of effectively focusing on financial services, as we had seen a very strong pull from many other markets. But due to this program and due to the inbound interest that we've seen, we've managed to craft a far more sort of compelling proposition and offering that resonates with financial service firms. And we see that finance as a category and a market is a core focus for us going forward. Looking forward to staying connected with the program, very much looking forward to staying connected with the team on the program and all of the other founders and members and mentors. I think finally, just a sort of an enormous thank you from the whole of the Contingent team. On behalf of the team, we're incredibly grateful. We think it's been an excellent program, and we'd recommend it to any other startup.
What are the most pressing concerns in supplier risk and resilience that Contingent are planning on solving?
That's a really good question. I think it sits in sort of two areas. In the context of financial service firms, we see the drivers around operational resilience and being able to effectively illustrate the compliance with the changing sort of regulatory landscape for financial service firms as being kind of a key challenge that we need to help our customers solve. And we're building out sort of a host of new technologies and functionality to help address that. I think more broadly, which applies to sort of a range of industries and is certainly pertinent for financial service firms, it's really shifting from having a reactive approach and view of a supply chain or a third-party network, and really moving towards having a proactive view of risk across your third-party risk network and supply chain. So fundamentally being able to understand and have sight of emerging risks as and when they are starting to evolve in your organization, and being able to effectively address those challenges and emerging risks before they prove to be critical. And that's essentially where we're building products and solutions to solve that need, to help companies go from being reactive to being proactive within their supply chain of third-party risk networks.